Here's a quick quenching video for y'all. This is ready for the final heat and dump. I like to let my blade heat up to non-magnetic and then let it cool each time. Now we're ready to heat it up. First and final quench. So I'm looking at here, looking at the colors, trying to move it back and forth so it's heated evenly. I tend to quench kind of hot, just based on the thickness of the steel blanks I use. And also I use convex edges, so sometimes the edge can be thick or the spine can be rather thick. I'm getting it heated evenly so there are no cold spots. I don't want anything to crack or warp. And I like the temperature we got. Almost like the temperature we got. Now it's an even color. Now it's an even color. Ow, fuck, shit is hot. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Up and down. Keep it moving, let the heat dissipate evenly. There we go. Oh god, I heard some sounds I didn't like. I think I quenched this very high. What do you all think? Alright, we're no longer on fire. That smells good, the peanut oil. It's like we're deep fried. Okay, now as it cools, look at that. I burnt the steel nice and good. Cooked, baby. Okay, I get that down, and now as it's cooling, it can warp. So I like to put this baby on here. Hold it down flat. Alright. There you go. That's a quench. Your mileage may vary, live and learn. That was fun, man. Looks like I left an entire knife in there, bros. Bros, dudes, ladies. Thanks for watching.